Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo, let me introduce myself. My name is Kristianti. You can call me Atifa. I'm from 3A Teaching Secondary Mathematics, Muhammadiyah Professor Dr. Hamka University Math Education. On the day, I will present about matrix. There are some kinds of matrix. 1. Matrix addition operation. 2. Matrix subtraction operation. 3. Matrix multiplication operation, and 4. Secular matrix multiplication operation. Enjoy the video. Next. Matrix. Matrix is variable and constant arranged in rows and columns in rectangular shape. Example matrix 2 times 3 or read 2 rows and 3 columns. And then this is an example of matrix. Matrix types 3 are 5 is row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, rectangular matrix, and identity matrix. The following is a pattern of each matrix. Operation in the matrix. Number 1, addition. Two matrix A and B are of the same order, then the same matrix A plus B is obtained by adding up the laying elements of A and B. If the matrix A is 20, 15, 12, 35, 22, 20, and matrix B is 10, 7, 5, 15, 10, 8. And then matrix A plus matrix B is matrix 20 plus 10, 15 plus 7, 12 plus 5, 35 plus 15, 22 plus 10, 20 plus 8 is matrix 30, 22, 17, 50, 32, 28. Number 2, subtraction. Two matrix A and B are of the same order, then the subtraction matrix A minus B is obtained by subtracting the laying elements A and B. If the matrix A is 1, 2, 5, 4, 6, 9, and matrix B is 10, 12, 13, 15, 17, 21. And then matrix A minus B is matrix 1 minus 10, 2 minus 12, 5 minus 13, 4 minus 15, 6 minus 17, 9 minus 21 is matrix minus 9, minus 10, minus 8, minus 11, minus 11, minus 12. Number 3, multiplication. There are two types of multiplication. 1. Multiplication scalar. For example, A is a matrix and K is a real number. Then the scalar product Ka is the matrix obtained by multiplying each element of A and K. If the matrix A is 2, 3, 5, 6 and K is 2, and then 2A is 2 matrix 2, 3, 5, 6 is matrix 2 times 2, 2 times 3, 2 times 5, 2 times 6 is matrix 4, 6, 10, 12. 2. Multiplication matrix. For example, two matrix A and B are of the same order. Then the same matrix A times B is obtained by multiplication the laying element A and B. If the matrix A 4, 3, 2, minus 1 and matrix B is 0, minus 1, minus 2, 3 And then matrix A times matrix B is 4 times 2 plus 3 times minus 2, 4 times minus 1 plus 3 times 3, 2 times 1 plus minus 1 times minus 2, 2 times minus 1 plus minus 1 times 3 is matrix minus 6, 5, 2, minus 5. Determinant and inverse. The determinant is a value that can be calculated from the elements of a square matrix or can be considered as the switching factor of inverse set transformation represented by the matrix. The determinant of a matrix A is denotes that A or determinant A. For example, matrix A to be determinant, then determinant A equals A times D minus B. Inverse is function which is the opposite of the action of a function. For example, matrix A to be inverse, then A rank minus 1 is matrix A, B, C, D rank minus 1 is 1 over A times D minus B times C times matrix D minus B minus C A. Triple determinant and inverse. If the matrix A is matrix A, B, C, D, and then for the determinant A equals A times D minus B times C equals 2 times 3 minus 5 times 1 equals 1. For the inverse, A rank minus 1 equals matrix 2, 5, 1, 3 matrix rank minus 1 equals 1 over 2 times 3 minus 5 times 1 matrix 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2 equals 1 over 1 matrix 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2 is 3 minus 5 minus 1, 2. Thank you so much for your attention, and I'm sorry if something goes wrong. And then I'm Kristianti. Don't forget like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.